Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. Tonight, as I promised earlier, for those who have been following me up on WhatsApp, viewing my WhatsApp status, in case you don't know, I actually run a WhatsApp TV as well, so I have a lot of people viewing my status. And I posted earlier that I'll be showing you guys, I'll be making a video on how to earn money online by watching videos, videos on some websites, taking research on some website, and also taking surveys. So there are ways you can actually earn money with that, and it's from a reliable source. It's from someone I actually trust. That's why I'm making the video. There was one of the video I posted earlier. A lot of people complained that they were asking them for charges. I'm so sorry for that. I didn't actually confirm the source. I'm very sorry for that. So, but this one, it's actually a very reliable source. So, and I will urge everyone to try and participate. Even though you make, even if it's $10 you make daily or $5 or something, by just giving some particular amount of time just to watch videos and make research or surveys, I think it's worth it. So yeah, also please, I will urge you guys to please, if you are here to click on that subscribe button, please do so now. Please, just I'm begging. I'm not saying it's my right to get your subscriptions. No, I'm just begging and pleading with you guys to help me do that. And also please share the channel link or video link with your friends, family and loved ones, and please let them know that they should subscribe as well, and also try to turn on notifications so that they can always see my new videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you all, guys. God bless you for always being there for me. Yeah, so let's go to the business of the day. The first website I'll be showing you now is Inbox Dollars. And also there's this algo fund airdrop I posted some while ago. I've been trying to tell some people, some people got, I myself got, even though they promised 3,000 algo funds, or they later shared around 30 algo funds, which was around 10 algo. The airdrop was around 10 algo, so I was able to get, and some airdrop that will run. Some of them some people actually got as well. Unfortunately enough, I posted some of the airdrops in the group, and I was so occupied that I forgot I didn't really participate, so I missed them. But I'm happy. Some of them.
Trendybeats.com.
So that's that. So now let me take you through the website. This is the website, Inbox Dollars. So for Inbox Dollars now, for password, I'll need to pause the video to input my password. Though this will be the only site I'll be showing you how to go about using. So, but for others, you can go through them yourself. But I'll drop all the necessary links for all the videos in my video description. But let's go through Inbox Dollars so that you can all see how to go about it. So I'll input my password. Actually, this was the error I got. It says Inbox Dollar is only accepting new account from US at this time. We are sorry for the inconvenience. So there's actually a way people do register. Nigerians do register. What is it called? They do register on sites that is actually meant from United States citizens. Though what you need to do is use VPN to do so. So let me even give the VPN a trial and see. Let me give VPN a trial. Let me on the VPN. Let me try a VPN right now. Coming. I need to off some things to avoid causing damage. So just take note of applications that doesn't accept VPN. So make sure they are not on to avoid causing troubles. Here's my VPN. I need to look for my VPN right now. It's been long I used VPN, so okay, let me search. Let me pause the video and search. Okay, this is where my VPN is. I have these two VPN. I use I prefer this to any other VPN. No thanks, I'll be doing that later. So let me put on the VPN. It's connected now, so let me give it a trial and see if it works now. I hope it does. So I'll be entering my password now. So I'm done entering my password, so I'll click on sign up. Let's see if it works. Oops, unfortunately it didn't. But I know there are some people that know how to go about this US and other things or so. Let me put off the VPN before it cause more harm for me. So now let me try the other sites. There are other sites, it's not just this one. If you know how to go about how to know about creating account as a Nigerian with US credentials, you can go on and do it. Or if you have someone in the United States that can help you with their phone number or just help you sign up or something, you can go on and do that as well. Most of these things, they don't, it's mostly between Americans, Canadians, and English guys, the UK guys. So most of the sites actually work within them. But if you have a way of getting someone from there to help you sign up, it will be a nice idea. So let me try this as well. I doubt if it works for Nigerians too, so but let me give it a trial and see. So this one, after entering the password, it brought me here. Hopefully it will work for Nigerians. I just click on agree to all, even though it didn't show, but it's reflecting here. You can see here it highlights here, which means it's been clicked. Start earning. Okay, they want me to install the app. No, let me just try the web first. Let's give the web a trial first. So you can see this site will actually work for Nigerians. So here right now we have N5SB in 5 minutes. Here, refer a friend, earn 10% for life in 30 seconds. The next one, answer a survey and earn 200 SB in 120 seconds. So this means it's their own token. And each SB, you can see here, 100 SB worth $1. So the more you earn this stuff, the more you do the surveys, though you might think it's too small, earning 5 SB, 200 SB, meanwhile 200 SB is just $2. But imagine doing it consistently every day. Like, it's not as if you only do once, you can do multiple surveys in a day. If you don't think it's too small for you, can do it, and you take your time on it, and you definitely make from it. So that's if you don't look down on money. I think this is a cool idea. It's something cool to do. So I'll be showing you swag. Oh, my battery is down. This is the first survey. Let me just take the first survey, and I'm sure it's not something difficult. So let me just impute gender, where are you born, when were you born, let me pause the video. So what is your relationship status? So I'll pick this. Next, single, never married. Anyone in your household work in any of the following industries? Yep. Yeah, that's it. It's okay. So you can see the surveys. I just want to take you through the surveys so that you see how it is, for you to know that it's not something stressful. So it's not something difficult that you'll be thinking, does it worth the stress, the money, does it worth the stress? That's why I'm doing this. me see. Yeah, I'm just trying to be fast about it so that I won't waste much of our time. Okay, let's do pick 4. Okay, let me just do this. This is how the survey looks. I can't find my option here, so I move. I don't know how much I earn. I prefer not to, or should I say, okay, let me say this. Let me use this. So you can see that's all you need to do. It's showing 7 SB already. It's showing 7 SB already. Then let me confirm, check my email. Let me verify my email as well. Let me just go to my email, verify the email. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So email is getting verified. So my email is verified. Now after verifying my email, I have 12 SB. So here you can see, read this side, you see their own here. They said 100 SB is equals to $1 in free gift cards or PayPal. That means their own method of payment to be on PayPal. So you need a PayPal account for this. You can register your PayPal account, then you use this. So this is referral now. I can use referral to earn what is it called? So you can send by email. You can just copy your referrals here. So you can see you earn 100 SB when the person you refer adds the swag button on their laptop or desktop. Yep. So you can just refer anyone. I'll just paste mine somewhere. I'll paste it somewhere later. So, but that's that for this for Swagbox. So you can do all other researches on your own later. That's how this one works. At least you have an insight of how it works. So you see, answer a survey. This one will give you $2 once you answer this one. You can see as well. So but I don't want to bore you. I'll just drop the link to all other websites. I don't want you to look down on these things, that okay, the money to be given is too small or something. I don't want you to look it that way. You can grow little by little and make it big as long as you are consistent. You need persistence, consistency, perseverance, and trust me, you get it. This little money is what makes up huge money. So this is the one I said they'll be giving you voucher. Like they'll just give you Amazon voucher. You can use it to buy something online, something of $100. You can buy it at the rate of maybe 20 or so, just something like that. So you're more like getting like gift cards. So that's what this one is about. So you can run this one as well. Sign up, run everything, get paid, use your card, enjoy. Then we have all other ones. I'll be dropping every bit of the site. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I I have 7 different websites where you can earn, and they are all different types. Though the last one as well is for UK, US, and Canada citizens. That's playtestcloud.com. Those ones is for testing new games. Where they release new games, they want people to test run their games. While you test run, you earn. But the reason why they only give, it's not about racial issue or racism or something. It's because their major market is in the US, UK, and Canada. So that's why they want to use it as a way of paying back their customers in those areas by giving them test run to run and get paid. If you were the one, you would do the same. So if you have someone in America, Canada, or UK, you can ask them to help you do the verification from their end, do the sign off on their end, while you use the account here. And if you have a way of how do they call it? If you have a way of breaking the way, or maybe finding a way around using a US number, UK, Canada number, phone number to sign up or something, you can do it as well. It's fine. It's good. So that's that for that. Just check the video description. You see all these video links. Please don't look down on them. I myself, it's because my battery is currently down. I will, once I'm chanced, I will run all the sites. I'll make sure I sign up on all the sites. And every of my little leisure time I have, I'll use it to be, it's more like mining all these coins. You work for them actually. You work for it. And you get whatever you get, you just keep doing it. Even if it means dedicating 2 hours a day for doing some distance. Dedicate 2 hours. Instead of the 2 hours you just use to do some things you don't really, that are not really necessary on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or something. You can just dedicate 2 hours from your time to take surveys, watch videos. It's not as if it will be a very long video. Even if it's 5 minutes, watch. Then tomorrow do the same thing. Next tomorrow do the same thing. The little money you are getting there, it's something. You get $5 from somewhere, $5 from that place, $5 from this place, $5 from 10 different places is $50 a day. So that's, you don't look down on money, no matter the amount, as long as it is money and it is real. Never look down on it. That's how I am. Even if it's $1, something will earn me. I do it as long as it is real. I don't look down on anything. I believe anything can get me what I want. So I always try to work around it and make sure I benefit from it. Yeah. Because some things that you look down on, you might actually not just get monetary value, you might actually learn from it as well. So try to always do some of these things. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching the video. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the bell sign for notifications, and also don't forget to share with your friends, family, and loved ones. Please and please, this will actually go a long way to help them. You can share with them, and I will be glad you do so. And God bless you all as you do. Thank you very, very much. See you next time.